Hello everyone, we're back with another good question. Let's solve it right away. First, 8 plus 8 equals 16. 16 times 8 equals 128. 128 minus 8 equals 120. Finally, 120 divided by 8 equals 15. If you found it this way, you made a mistake. When solving this question, we use the principle of order of operations. PEMDAS in short. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. There's another feature here. Multiplication and division are not ordered. They are performed from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction are performed from left to right. Now, let's solve the question using these rules. First, we divide and multiply. 8 times 8 equals 64. 8 divided by 8 equals 1. Now we have addition and subtraction left to do. We work from left to right. 8 plus 64 equals 72. 72 minus 1 equals 71. Congratulations if you found the answer to 71. Now, find your answer to this question and write it in the comments. Let's see who can find the correct answer. Our videos will continue. Subscribe using the logo on the screen so you don't miss any new videos. You can access other videos from the boxes on one side. See you in the next video.